what's up internet, and welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood for a very special night as we take you along for our past member holiday park takeover. I'm super excited. This is a free after hours event just for annual pass holders here at Universal. The best part, it is free. It is included with our pass, and I always say, if it's free, it's for me. We are going to show you everything this event has to offer, from all the Grinchmas festivities, the short lines, and everything we can squeeze into this 4-hour event. Time right now is just before 5 p.m. Event runs from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. So let's go head on inside. All right, we made it in. We showed our reservation and we have our passes secured. The cool thing about this lanyard, which we will be putting on here in a second, is it also shows you all of the show times here for Grinchmas at the Universal Plaza, Christmas over in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, as well as the attractions and the discounts for some of the annual passes. Oh my God, I totally forgot about Harry Potter, but I'm telling you, What?
Never mind, keep reading, keep reading. Come on, keep reading, keep reading.
Hi there. Got special guests here.
Oh, welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
I didn't know this was Horror Nights. I got a jump scare just now.
No, it's not Horror Nights. It's a different timeline.
It's a different timeline. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Is it? I'm in the wrong year. I'm trying to get somewhere else. Wait, what?
Stop. We are currently in the year 2024.
Okay.
December 3rd.
Oh. I gotta get somewhere else.
4:52. What do you have to go? Where do you have to be that's more important than this?
That's true. I gotta make the most of the time here, right?
That's right, so stop talking to me.
I gotta go.
Just wait.
Gotta go. Bye, Doc.
Bye.
That was so scary. And before the park takeover officially starts, we are starting here in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter to grab some dinner over at 3 Broomsticks. If you are coming to an event like this, might as well knock out the eating before the event actually starts, and of course have all the time for riding rides and doing all the other activities. We got the herb roast chicken platter with some corn on the cob and potatoes, and then just across the way we have a lot more food over there. I am feeling stuffed from 3 Broomsticks, and the time right now is 5:54. Now the event still doesn't start until 7. However, we are heading over to the studio tour, and I mean, look at these gorgeous lights here at the entrance. Of course, the studio tour is the longest attraction here at about an hour, so right as soon as we get off, the event should officially start, and the park actually closes to park guests at 6 p.m., an hour before the event starts. Oh my God, look at how empty it is already. It's probably just for event guests at this point.
It is. It said it was.
Oh, I see. Special event. Look at how empty it is. 5-minute wait for the studio tour. Our first ride of the night. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, broke out the Grinch Christmas hat. It's very tall, along with the Gryffindor Harry Potter robe. On to the studio tour. Ride number 1 of the night. Let's see how much we can get done.
This is special. All these stage doors are open tonight.
Oh.
Take a peek inside and see what you can see. That's my favorite one. Up here, coming up at stage 9, you can see some sort of like nature setup. I do not know what these are. There's some sort of like NDA going on because they haven't told us what production is, and trust me, I'm nosy. If I knew what it was, I will tell you. So over here to your left, you're seeing all these cars parked here. They're all here for The Voice, which y'all know films right here on the lot. They do it over here in stages 30 and 31. And that was Earthquake, everybody. So as you move on here, just kidding. Get out of my way. I will push you. I'll get to that floor like... And it almost wasn't even in the movie.
As you get off the studio tour here, you're also welcomed by the super fun and festive Hollywood sign photo op. This is actually where I met the Grinch last year. You got the sleigh, you got the Whoville car. All right, time now is 6:45, and we've done a lot and the event still hasn't started. But I mean, just all day today, it feels like the park has been super empty, but we are now making our way down to the lower lot. There is a special meet and greet area for the Grinch for Grinchmas. Of course, you can meet him up in Universal Plaza, but down here, second location. Look at this, look, it's so calm, it's so peaceful. We Love a calm, empty park. This is magical. This is the definition of holiday magic. It was the night of the passholder takeover, and all throughout the park, not a creature was stirring. Except the Grinch. Alright, so we made it down here to the lower lot, but we are actually heading into Super Nintendo World. The line for the Grinch was a little long, but every time I come in here, this land is absolutely packed. So let's see just how empty it's gonna be. Okay, my favorite part so far, all new for this year, are the holiday Christmas decor. You can see Princess Peach's castle all decked out with the Christmas decor, and we got the Christmas tree over there. We got some more Christmas decorations over here. But I mean, I've never seen this land so empty. Also, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, a 10-minute wait. I've never seen that line so short. We are going to defeat Team Bowser and Team Mario will be victorious here. Also, we got our own car here, which is fantastic. 2 of us. Oh, that's a great accomplishment. Oh, lush. How did that? Heading out of Super Nintendo World right now, time now 7:45. We got on the Mario Kart ride, about a 10-minute wait. We also played 3 of the mini games with the power-up bands, got 3 keys, defeated Bowser Jr. in the boss challenge. We are making our way to the rest of the lower lot. You can see Transformers up here. All the other rides, Transformers, Mummy, and Jurassic World, 5-minute waits, which is great. Wish it was always like that here. Ride's time now is 7:59, and we are getting our steps in just by walking all of these empty queue areas. But now, time to go to the Mummy, another 5-minute wait. All right, time now 8:14. We are making our way to our final ride here on the lower lot, Jurassic World. It is a very chilly 56 degrees, so we are gonna try our best to sit in the back and stay dry. $8:26 now. We are making our way now from the lower lot up to the upper lot. We knocked out all 4 rides down there. Longest wait, 10 minutes for Mario Kart. Longest line that we've seen this whole night, definitely the Grinch down here, was posted at about a 60-minute wait, and definitely looked like a 60-minute wait. All right, back now in the wizarding world of Harry Potter as we get ready to watch the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle show. 8:45 showing ahead. It's about 8:34, so we're coming in with about 11 minutes, but you know, just love the decor as I was talking about earlier. We've got the Hogwarts Express over here. Hello? What a magical Hogwarts Christmas Castle light show, and now we are making a mad dash for a Forbidden Journey. 5-minute wait right now. It is a walk-on. Here we go. Can't wait. are just zooming through everything here at the pass holder takeover night. Time now is 9:11. This event runs until 11 p.m. So we knocked out one of the shows over here in Hogwarts. We are now going over to the Secret Life of Pets ride. Right now it's a 5-minute wait. I see one of the tree lighting ceremonies is going on, but we will be coming back for that a little later in the night. Ooh, it is still so cold. Look at all of these string of lights up here through the, I think this is the French Street area. I'll give you $5 to go through the water. Very inviting right now. Oh, here we go.
Dad!
Oh no! No! No, that's not who we want. No, they're over there!
You know, I just get back home. That's all I do. You're welcome.
All right, time now is 9:55. We made our way over to the Universal Plaza for some of the Grinchmas festivities. We saw a little bit of the Hoopy Doo Wops show, which was a group of singers. They sounded fantastic. And now the crowd is all here for the tree lighting and wintry snowfall, of course, with the Grinch. The Grinch is way over there if you can see him. That is definitely the longest line of the night. Downstairs on the lower lot is your best bet. That was about 60 minutes. It's about 9:56 now, and that line's already closed for the night for the last hour. So definitely want to line up early if you want to meet the Grinch. But I'm very excited for this tree to be lit, for some snow to fall. The pinnacle of holiday celebrations here.
All right, time to get to work. El Gato.
Mr. Grinch.
As mayor of Hoopville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! Count with me, one and all. Count 5 to 1, who's tall and small. Are you ready?
Started. 35, 97. Here we go.
Yeah, that's about right.
Oh, the humanity! Wait, double wait! I forgot one little bulb. And here we
So the Grinch saved Christmas. And all through the town, all the who's him and who watched the snow falling down.
It's a Christmas miracle! The Grinch saved Christmas! And it's snowing in Los Angeles!
Hey, you guys look sharp in those bathrooms.
Thank you. Nice and warm.
Nothing. Casual look. You know?
Yes.
Well, yeah, but see, I gotta wear a tuxedo.
Looking pretty
You
sharp
guys have
yourself.
The first thing that was on the back of the bathroom door. It's amazing. Yeah, I know, right? They're universally flattering.
Absolutely.
Get it universally.
I see what you did there.
Yeah, I've been dead 700 years. The joke's over. Yeah.
All right, that's a wrap on our evening here at the Universal Studios Hollywood Pass Holder Holiday Park Takeover. It was so much fun. As you saw, we got to squeeze in a lot of rides, super short wait times, basically walk-ons. Check out some of the Hogwarts and Grinchmas holiday shows. And now time is just about 10:26, so the event's just about to finish up. But I mean, for a 4-hour event, we packed in a lot. Not so much like event exclusive stuff, but more so short wait times, chance to check out holiday stuff, and just a really fun evening here at the park. Love the decor, love the ambiance, and love the holiday festivities. Let me know in the comments, have you been to one of these park takeovers for pass holders? Would you go? And what do you think of it all? And if you did like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And I'll see you next time on the internet, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas.